Just viewing advertisements and watching videos to earn money online? Can you believe that you can make money just by those methods? Well, either way, in this video, I'll show you a website where you can earn additional money through viewing ads and watching some videos. And that's all possible if you watch this video until the end so you can see for yourself that these actually work. I'll be showing the step-by-step process, so you better take note of that. Make sure you watch the video until the end because there's a bonus tip for you. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. There are only 3 main steps that you need to remember. Step number 1, play the videos on the websites. Step number 2, watch the video for 10 seconds. And in step number 3, withdraw your earnings. All the videos you watch on your phone can help you earn money if you're just aware of the method that I'm about to show you. Here are the people who've already cashed out their earnings using this website. You can see the exact date, the usernames of the people, the payment method they used, and the amount they cashed out. So as you can see, they cashed out money through Perfect Money, Skrill, Payeer, AirTM, and more. Some users have already cashed out $5 just for minutes of work. There are also those who cashed out $10 or even more. Now let's do some basic math. For 60 minutes of work you've done, you'll earn $40. So for 2 hours, you'll get paid up to $80. And then for 5 hours, you'll get paid up to $200. This is really great considering you're just doing it for 5 hours, and you're not even exerting too much effort and energy, if at all, for that work. And the best part is, you can repeat the process anytime and anywhere you want, because it's all for free. The name of the website is Swingbox.com. Some of you may be familiar with this website, but for those who don't have any idea what it looks like and what it offers, here's the website's homepage. This website is available in many countries all around the world, and the only things that you need to have is a computer or a phone and an internet connection. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content, and ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. There are a lot of ways on how you can earn money from this website. They offer various jobs. Among those jobs include viewing ads, where you click daily ads in order to earn 3 cents per click. They also have Clicks Grid, where you can win up to $1, which will be credited directly to your account. They also offer videos that you need to watch, particularly YouTube videos. You can also complete offers to earn some points. And lastly, we can use the affiliate system, where you refer other people by sharing your referral link or code to multiply your earnings. The members' benefits are all posted here, so feel free to read all of these as well as other information regarding the website. They've already paid close to $42,000 to their thousands of registered users. So, to get started, you have to learn the sign-up process. The first step, of course, is the registration process. Click the Register Account link, and then you'll be directed to this page where you need to fill up all of the necessary information. Starting with general information, just put your full name, username, password, and email address. Next, for the payment account, you can put the information about your chosen payment method. It could be your phone number or email address. You can choose among these payment options including Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, and AirTM. Then, for image verification, just click the box that says I am not a robot. And lastly, check the terms of service if you've read and agreed to abide by the Swingbox rules. To read the terms, just click this link right here. And after that, just hit the register button. For step number 2, once you've created a brand new account, you can then log into said account, and then you'll see the advertisements and the videos you can use to generate money. There are several firms that give people the chance to view many ads. They also give access to some video advertisements. But how sure are we on the video advertisements which we should be focusing on? Well, we need to focus on the ads that will help us maximize our earnings. And since you've been staying on the video all this time, here are some bonus tips for all of you. I've prepared a lot of tips for you, so get your pen and paper ready. For the viewing of advertisements, as you can see, they have many categories like fixed ads, standard ads, daily ads, micro ads, and light swing ads. Tip number 1, focus on micro ads. Watching a 10-second video can let you earn a lot online. Just concentrate on micro ads. Why? Well, let me show you how it works. While you're watching a video, you have to wait for the next video ad. After 10 seconds, the video ad will be changed into a regular video. So again, just wait for 10 seconds. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. And moving on to tip number 2, you can decrease the volume of the video or even just mute it, in which case you're only running the video into the background while doing other stuff. This is the best method you can do, especially if you want to open many tabs and play all the videos at once so that the money you'll earn will increase. Next, for tip number 4, you can also use other devices. If you have a computer, a laptop, or maybe an old phone, you can use all of them. You can also borrow your sister's or your brother's phone to play some video advertisements. Obviously, the more devices, the better. So keep in mind that you'll see video ads more frequently if you watch more videos. You'll notice that every time you watch a video, there will always be one video ad in front of it that will pay you more. Now, for tip number 5, you can use the clicks grid category if you want an additional method to earn money on this website. You have the chance to win $5 every time you try to click on one of these small boxes. You can choose any of these boxes and open them to look at what's there to see. Clicks are being reset daily at midnight server time. The boxes or the whole image will be refreshed into a new one every day. So every day, you have the chance to win $5. You're just choosing random boxes and that's the only thing you need to do. Nothing more. It's so easy, right? So, those are the bonus tips that you can do on the Swingbox website. You have many options on how to maximize your earnings. You're now also equipped with tips on how to make your work faster and easier. This video is made for you to deeply understand what this website is all about. Also, on how this website can help people like you and me in earning money online. Because people nowadays seem to doubt most of the websites they see on YouTube. But when you look at the payment proof, or testimonials of other people, and the transparency of the website, you'll be convinced that this or that website is a legit website. And by the way, there are a lot of people earning from this website by utilizing all the methods and tricks they know. So, you too can be one of the users who are already earning money through the Swingbox website. I hope you learned something from this video. So, again, those are the steps and the bonus tips that I can show you. You can share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below, and tell us what you think about Swingbox. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.